front of the Iowa Holocaust Memorial today, we are reminded of the long history of violence and hate that have been faced by the Jewish community throughout history. That is a history we must learn from and never repeat. All around us these days, we see chaos, terror attacks, violent campus protests. We see tax dollars funding corrupt organizations like UNRWA that spread anti-Semitic hate and train terrorists. And we see anti-Semitism even on our college campuses and in our society. We must change course as a nation. You know, the things that we hear about, they're not just news stories. It's real people, real lives who are affected, and it really matters. You know, we know that more than 1,200 people were killed on October 7th, and that included women, grandmas, children, the elderly, families, and that was the largest attack on the Jewish community since the Holocaust. And we have seen outpourings of violence and vandalism and threats to Jewish students on college campuses. Now, Iowa is not New York, and we are thankful for that. But we will not stand by as any Jewish students are harassed or targeted at their school. And as Attorney General, I stand with Israel. I stand with Iowa's Jewish community.